Hey, welcome. I'm Mark Schultz with DigitalAircraft, and we're here for another episode of Blockchain and Aviation. We're going to be talking about blockchain and how it applies in your business, and we're going to see how can we evaluate our business and how can we determine the right technologies and implement them, in order that we can create success in our business. We don't want to implement the wrong technologies. We don't want to take too long. We want to move things forward swiftly. We want to leverage and be successful in using the right technology for the right business problem. So today we're going to be talking about blockchain and aviation. Hey, I have a guest here today who I'm going to bring in. Let me just jump in and bring him right in. For those of you who've been around for a while, you know that this is Larry Little. He's my guest. He's my business partner. And Larry, how's it going today?
Hey, Mark, it's good to be with you. It's been a while since we've been together. So looking forward to this next little bit to talk about blockchain.
Good. Hey, listen, I've got a lot of new followers in the last few months, and some people may not know who you are and what do you do. And, what was your previous connection to Boeing? Can you just quickly give people a rundown?
Yeah, Mark. Hey, thanks for that. As the banner said, retired Boeing. I've been retired from Boeing about 3 or 4 years. And before that, a long time at Boeing doing a variety of things. I think the last 10 years were really the most fun and innovative. Had the opportunity to run a small business within a really big company. We did some amazing things, I think, that really set a foundation and really changed the way that mechanics and engineers interact with maintenance data. We invented and deployed iPad or mobile device solutions for engineers and mechanics, the right information at the right time to the right person. So I think we set a foundation in the industry that's still going strong today.
Oh yeah, well, really, really critical, and we'll get into that a little bit more deeper as we move forward. But for those of you that that don't know, Larry was running the Toolbox organization, and the Toolbox product basically is the maintenance documentation, the technical documentation that supports pretty much all the aircraft at Boeing today. From structured data to unstructured data, from drawings to to maintenance manuals and everything across the board. And the thing that I was the most impressed about, Larry, is when you guys rolled out the Toolbox Mobile Library, the mobile product, just the process that you went through to evaluate what the need in the industry was, and then put a good product in place, and then bring it together with the existing solutions that were at Boeing, and then deploy it. I mean, I was just really impressed with that whole process on how that happened.
Yeah, I think you're right, Mark. We kind of built on some existing products, a product called the Portable Maintenance Aid. We kind of started with that, and then we brought in a group of airlines to kind of help us to look at the tools you have today, think about the future, and what could these tools really be. And that's when we moved from the Portable Maintenance Aid to Maintenance Performance Toolbox to maintenance data, real time on an iPad as a collaboration tool. And I would just say that the airline mechanic input into designing and deploying that tool was probably the most powerful thing we did to have a successful application.